Coming up, I'll show you how to save money with this sheet. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Jason with DecalFactory here with another installment of Raising Your Marketing IQ with Print. So I wanted to talk to you about the decals. I showed you the sheet real quick, but I wanted to talk to you about gang run decals. Now we've talked about this before, but I have a sheet here that actually is able to explain better what's going on with it. So this is a company that we do decals for. This is Room 101. Wait, where am I at here? Okay, so this is Room 101. They do a bunch of, basically viral stickers, okay? So he is trying to go viral with all this stuff. And, some of them are 4-color. Most of them are full color. And they're all silkscreen, all great quality. He wanted that kind of, that feel of where he can feel the ink, right? Where it's quality stuff, right? Because your customers know the difference between a garbage sticker and a good sticker. Plus, our secret sauce, right? Backslit on the back. Okay, so that it's easy to remove. These are all things that your customers want. Okay, that's how they know it's a quality product and that you're not just giving them garbage. Okay. You got to show your customers, hey, you know what? You're important to me. So I'm going to spend the money and make a good decal. Now, doing these decals on their own, easy, piece of cake, right? We can do one at a time, silkscreen, die cut, all that stuff. But you're talking about 24 different decals, doing 24 different setups, 24 different color matches, 24 different proofings, 24 different collating, shipping, everything. It gets monotonous after a while. So we here at the DecalFactory believe in efficiency, and we want efficiency for our customers. So what we do is we encourage our customers with a lot of decals, and a lot, I mean like anybody with more than 5 decals or large decals or multiple varying die cuts, colors, even if you have, and common colors that we can run together, we always suggest and run them together. Okay, if you can run them at the same time, if you can get your different departments to coalesce and put them all together. Okay, so that's why we come up with the gang run. So you can see part of the gang run, right? Is that decal I already showed you. That guy right there, right? He is right here. Okay, so you can see, right? He's all part of the gang run, right? So we run these all together. This is one setup, one die, one proof, one single, and you get all of these decals for a much less expensive rate. Advantages of this is, man, it brings down your cost like mad, because you're not buying each individual sticker, you're buying the entire sheet. Okay, so that's the advantage of that, is the cost goes down. I know a lot of our customers, they are part of conglomerates, right? And they have all these different companies that need to use decals for promotional and manufacturing purposes. Man, bring them all together. Let's run them all together. We can run different companies together on one sheet. That way your cost goes down. The other advantage for marketing, for manufacturing purposes, right? These products have got to have a decal, have got to have multiple decals on them before they go out the door. Let's build a sheet, and we cut it down in a sheet, all kiss cut on there. Okay, and part of your quality control is you tell your guys, hey, look, this part doesn't go out until all these decals are applied on this sheet, right? So once the sheet is empty and it's empty, every decal is on there that needs to be on there. There are many ways that we can structure this so that your company wins in the end. That's what we're all about. That's what we're interested in, because if you guys are winning, we're winning. Everybody's winning. Okay, let us help you construct a plan for your business, for your manufacturing, for your quality control. We've been in business since 1983. This year is our 40th anniversary. We are very excited about it, which means we have a lot of experience in this field. Shoot us a call, shoot us an email. We will have our information down below in the description. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks. All right, not bad. I knew that was going to come out. Crap.